So we're going to have a look at, first of all, at an introduction about the writing part. And then we will focus on writing task 1 today and over the next 2 sessions as well. Yeah, so this week and the next. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. We did discuss a bit about the writing part when we had the introduction to the course. So I will just remind you the structure, first of all. So in the academic IELTS writing exam, you have 2 tasks and you are given 1 hour to do this. In task 1, you're supposed to describe a visual, meaning you are given information in the form of a graph or a bar chart or a pie chart. There are different types of visuals. And this information has to be transferred into a text, which we will call a report. And you're supposed to write a minimum of 150 words. And the recommended time to spend on task 1 is 20 minutes. The second task is writing an essay on a topic which is given to you. The essay will have to be longer than task 1, about 250 words. That's roughly 25 lines, let's say. And the recommended time is 40 minutes. As an idea, let's say 2 important observations. The recommended time is just a recommendation. I mean, you are given 1 hour in total, but you can spend more or less on one of the tasks. This is what they consider would be the ideal time to spend on each task. Obviously more on task 2, sorry, because task 2 is much more complex. In task 1, all you do is to transfer information, but in task 2, you have to come up with ideas as well. You need to find arguments, you need to develop them, give examples. So there is also some preparation time that needs to be included in the 40 minutes. Yeah. You can also choose to start with task 2 if you want. Yeah. So they will just give you the 2 tasks. You will have 1 hour, and it's up to you how you manage that time, as long as you manage to finish in the given hour. Also, the number of words is really a recommendation again. They don't really count the words, let's say, anymore, but they consider that this would be the number, let's say, the minimum length of the writing. That would mean you have covered all parts of the task and you have done that well. Remember, these are minimum numbers. Minimum, it's in a minimum number of words, not maximum. Yeah, you can write more than that, and you will see that we will write more than that because it's quite a little, 150 and 250. Okay, now another thing to remember is that task 2 counts for more. Basically, what they do is they give you a score for task 1 and 1 for task 2. The score is from 1 to 9, or from 0 to 9, actually. And then they calculate your writing score by multiplying task 2 by 2, adding the score for task 1, and then dividing by 3, which means that task 2 accounts for 2/3 of your mark. Yeah, so it's more important than task 1. But of course, that doesn't mean we should not do a good job in task 1 as well.